Today we have our day for Maja, our youngest baby collie. She doesn't look... I think you have to straight her out.
Långt bak ska hon.
Nej, men det är ryggen som inte ser riktigt. We have grooming our Maja. She's the youngest of our 4 baby collies. Oh my god. And she doesn't have a lot of coat yet, but a lot of baby coat. She's a toddler. She is 1.5 years old. She is turning 2 in August this year, and she is in color sand, and her beauty name is Golden Dream from her breeder, but we call her Maja. And yeah, I think she's going to have a bath now when we have combed her hair, and I have cut her feet for the springtime when she's out. Milla, our other girl dog, she has a lot of more coat than Maja. So this is what we were doing today, and now I'm going to take a shower with Maja, and then tomorrow I have to brush her coat again. And this room is downstairs in our house, and where we are grooming our dogs. You know, we have 4, 2 girls and 2 boys, 2 very old boys. One is 12 years, something in her nose. And one is 10, and he is turning 11 in August. And Maja is going to be 2, yes. So I hope everyone have had a nice... Is it Tuesday today?
Yes.
You're in quarantine. I don't know what day it is, if it's Monday or Tuesday, Wednesday. Tuesday today. So I hope everyone stays safe, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.